Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by picking the cell with the formula you want to reuse. Immediately press F2 or click the formula bar to edit. Once in edit mode, place the cursor on the reference you need to fix and press F4 to cycle A1, $1, $1, and $A1. This locks row, column, or both. Make sure to lock exactly what must remain constant, so totals or lookup anchors don't shift when you copy formulas across rows or columns. Now apply the right lock type. Use $1 when the reference must never change, $1 when copying vertically while keeping the row fixed, and $A1 when copying horizontally but keeping the column fixed. Once done, copy the formula into the target range. Excel will adjust the unlocked part automatically. Make sure to test 1 or 2 copies first, so you can confirm whether the mixed reference behaves as intended across rows and columns before filling large ranges. To complete, copy or fill your formulas across the sheet and immediately validate by checking a few cells against expected values. If you use a fixed range, convert it to $1, $C$10, or a named range for readability. If totals shift or you see #ref, after moving rows or columns, edit the formula and toggle the dollar placement with F4. That usually resolves incorrect locks. Finally, make small incremental changes and recheck to avoid widespread errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.